Okay, so today I made around $1,100 trading the NASDAQ today. So let's just get right into what I saw. So coming into the market open, I was very bullish on the day. Um, we have been trending upwards quite highly here. This is the 4 hours looking at. This one was still closing, so looking at price action, it seemed to be very, very bullish to me. And from there, I just kind of waited for market to open. We had this 15-minute fair value gap right here, but I really didn't give a shit about that. Um, so yeah, I marked out our confluences here. I marked out some liquidity. I had a 15-minute fair value gap marked out here. Price completely disrespected that, so that doesn't matter. But I had marked out this 30-minute order block. 30-minute order block. And then price as well came down, tapped into this order block. We created an SMT with ES. On ES, we swept Asia session lows, while on NQ, we didn't even get down to London session lows or Asia session lows. So that made me think price was going to go higher. Um, and with that kind of confluence there, on the 2 minute, here's what I saw. We came after we created this big SMT, we started to get some moves up, and on the 2 minute, we inversed this fair value gap right here, and then we also broke structure to the upside on the 2 minute, and that's where I entered in at. I put my stops on the 1 minute at the bottom of this candle because we this inversed this candle. This is the candle I took my trade off of. Is once this one closed, I knew that this candle would close above this 2 minute up candle, creating a break of structure back to the upside, meaning we changed our order flow back to the upside. And I targeted these highs. I didn't target the exact highs. I did a few points just underneath because when I'm taking a trade, I'm not trying to take the whole move. Price is currently ripping to the upside. We took out London session highs as well. So, I mean, hell, I could have held this to make some big bucks, but at the same time, I'm only on an evaluation count, and the max cap that I can have for a winning trade is about $1,500. So I think it's better just to aim for a slice of the pie instead of the whole damn pie. So that kind of goes over what I went, what I took, and I mean, I followed my rule set quite perfectly here. We saw price tap into this 30-minute order block. We saw price give us a 1 minute IFVG as well. On the 2 minute, we also got that 2 minute IFVG as well as breaking structure back to the upside on the 1 minute and the 2 minute. I knew this 1 minute candle would close above this 2 minute high right here, giving us a break of structure on the 2 minute, which is what I entered in off of. Stops below here. It was a nice little 1 to 1.5, so very very small trade, but it got us around $1,100 today. So I mean, I'm looking forward to many more wins to come, as well as the losses that come with it, because it is just part of the game. So with that kind of being said, I would be interested to hear about any trades you guys took today, um, what you guys might have taken them off of, what indexes you trade, all that stuff would be great to hear about. But without further ado, I am going to be signing off here. You guys have a good rest of your day.